What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to bring you another automotive paint video today. In this video you're going to see me clear coat some brand new carbon fiber parts, and in the video I explain exactly why I'm doing this, but the gist of it is brand new carbon fiber parts come gel coated, and gel coat does not have UV protectants like clear coat does, so once the parts are out in the sun for a while they will start to fade and yellow and peel unless you clear coat them. And I explain all this in the video, but just want to give you that little bit of context before we start. Also want to give a quick shout out to Atlanta Speed Company. They've been hooking up with the Sidework recently, bringing me all these carbon fiber parts. So if you're in the metro Atlanta area and you're a Subaru person, they are the go-to shop for you. They've been selling quite a few of these carbon fiber parts recently, and they've been bringing them to me before installing them to have them clear coated. Now, this is something I would definitely recommend doing if you have a new carbon fiber part you're going to install. Having it clear coated is going to ensure that it stays looking good for a long time. So let's go ahead and get to the video. Plug you guys in here. Alright, so let me explain what we're doing on these carbon fiber parts. Now, even though these things are brand new and they look amazing right now, these parts only come gel coated. The gel coating is just a coating used to finish off fiberglass parts. While it does have the shine of a clear coat, it does not have the UV protectants that a clear coat does. After a little time out in the sun, these things will start to peel and yellow and just not look good. So what I did is took some 800 grit on my DA and sanded over all the parts just to scuff them. And now what we're going to do is just clear coat them, and they'll look beautiful like they did a second ago. And now they'll have UV protectants as well, so they'll stay looking good for much longer. Alright, that is going to do it for this week's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified whenever I post a new video, and we will see you in the next one.